How to add and edit tables in Google Slides. First, let's get started by opening Google Slides. Simply type slides.new into your browser. Once you're in Google Slides, select the slide where you want to add a table. In this example, we'll be using this blank slide right here. Now that you've selected your slide, let's add our table. Click on Insert in the menu at the top of the screen. Then, select Table. You'll see a sidebar that allows you to select the number of columns and rows you want to include. For example, if you'd like a table with 3 columns and 3 rows, select the 3x3 configuration. Don't worry if your rows and columns are longer or shorter than you'd expected. You can easily make adjustments. Simply right-click on the table, and then select the desired options such as Insert Row Above, Insert Row Below, Delete Row, or Delete Column. You can also resize the entire table to fit your slide better. Just click and drag the corners or edges of the table. If you want to get fancy, you can customize your table's appearance. Click on any cell and use the toolbar options to change the font, color, or alignment. And that's it!